You want a piece of me, boy? This better be good. Been waiting on you. You gonna give me orders? Who wants some? Armed and ready. By the numbers, boys. Man, still stuck in this chicken shit outfit. Kiss my ass. Whatever I do, keep bringing me back in. This is my C-14 Impaler Gauss rifle. There are many like it, but this one is mine. I came here to kick ass and chew bubblegum. And I'm all out of... Oh, forget it. The only thing you should feel when you shoot someone is the recoil. You ever notice that nobody ever comes back to the barracks? This one time in boot camp... Excuse me, I got a burp. Thank you, sir. May I have another? I feel ya. I'm on it. Outstanding. Keep your shirt on, Sparky. Go, go, go! Oh yeah, that's fine. Got it. Sure thing. Why not? Of course. Gangway, coming through. Aye, aye, sir. Can't wait. Looking forward to it. Orders received. Will do. You got it. Yes, sir. 10-4. Roger that. Affirmative. Get some. Bring it. How's that for whoop-ass? Let's rock. Ah! Hit it. Give me some. Let's do this. Die. Cover! Back at him. Where's my evac? We could use some help here. Mother?
Self-destruct in 5, 4, 3, 2.
I can fix anything. If this dang thing holds together. Hear me, baby? Hold together. Say, you got a real pretty mouth. Oh, my cousin Lester saw a Zergling once. On the CB, they call me Big Drill. Hey, I want to hear some free Zerg! My cow died last night, so I don't need your bull. Man, still stuck in this chicken shit outfit. How do you take a leak in this damn suit? Whatever I do, they keep bringing me back in. This is my C-14 Impaler Gauss rifle. There are many like it, but this one is mine. I came here to kick ass and chew bubblegum. And I'm all out of... forget it. The only thing you should feel when you shoot someone is the recoil. You ever notice that nobody ever comes back to the barracks? Man, am I just being paranoid, or is that medic following me? This one time, at boot camp... Can't see a damn thing. Much better.
Put that in your tailpipe and smoke it.